Could this ball make it to this ramp? Can this blue ball reach this track? Is it possible both of these marbles could roll on this track and not go this way? Is it possible all three of these balls can make it into the gate without crashing into one another? Is it possible this golf ball can reach this track with two gaps in the line? Is it possible this marble could knock over these dominoes? Is it possible this ball could reach this gate with a gap in the line and a track that leaves another web?